How to add and delete Instagram Reels from profile grid. If you want to add and delete Instagram Reels from profile grid, because there are some Reels that you only want to be shown on the Reel tab when people go to Reel manually and not on the grid tab. So here, let's say you can see a certain Reel. So I'll just tap on this Reel here. Then I can just tap on this Reel to open that Reel. Then I can tap this three dots icon. Then I can select remove from main grid. When I remove from main grid, this reel will be removed from the main profile grid. So if I scroll down now, there is no longer that reel, but still it is shown on the Reels tab itself. But now, if you want to get it back, you just have to tap on that same reel again, then tap on the three dots icon over here, then again tap on add to main grid. So it's as simple as that, to get it back to your profile grid or to remove it. This way you can add and delete Instagram Reels from your profile grid. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.